what is it, 20? 22? Hey, today we're going to, let me get in the car here. Foldable workbenches. I've seen them at Lowe's and Home Depot and Menards, but I've also seen card tables, like a folding card table. Which one is the least expensive and the best one for you? Why don't you find a workbench? Hardware. Let's go over to hardware. Here we go. So we got Toughbuilt. This is $119. I wonder if you can open one of these. Oh, you can. Okay, here we go. Hey. So complicated. Button 1. Push. Ooh. See. Oh, then there's a handle. Okay. God. Yeah. This is heavy. Okay, so this table supports up to 1,000 pounds. I don't weigh 1,000 pounds. So. Okay, that's pretty sturdy. All right, I like that one. So some of the thoughts about that workbench is, yeah, it's sturdy. It has holes in it for clamps and stuff. And that's about it, right? So maybe you can hammer on it really hard. You can stand on it, obviously, and holes for clamps. That's all I got so far out of it. So let's go over to Home Depot now and see what they have to offer with that Dewalt workbench. Okay, well, thank you. Are you gonna, enough? We'll just look at it here and then put it back over that slot. How much was this one? $119. $119. So $119. Just like the last one was $119, wasn't it? That one is one button, and look at. I didn't even. Yeah, that's pretty good. I didn't even have to figure out how to unfold that one. 1,000 pound capacity, and this is around 3 feet by 2 feet. Should we do the standing test? Okay, here we go. We're going to do the 1,000 pound test. I weigh exactly 1,000 pounds. That's why they sold out so quick. And you push the button again. Yeah, so that works. That's a lot smoother than the other one. Okay, so there's the DeWalt Express folding workbench. So now we're going to try to look at a folding card table, because couldn't you just use a folding card table? I know you could just use a couple of sawhorses, but let's see if we can find a folding table. Because, I mean, really, isn't that all you need? It's just a folding table? I think so. Ooh, Menards has an elevator. Card tables. Something that's small and convenient to unfold. Here we go, look at. See? 4 foot fold in half resin table. This says, oops, sturdy, supports 300 pounds. This is a little, it's a little, oh no, these go, you can make it taller too. Right? See. Okay, so this takes a little bit more to set up. Put it down like this. I gotta push these down. Well, is it? Or you can go even higher. Let's go higher. Okay. So, well, I don't know. Let's keep going. Let's see. Well, I don't know. Okay, so there you go. 300 pounds. Should I get on it? 300 pounds? So let's see how easy it is to fold up once I've extended those legs. So you gotta, you know, it's not It's not zippity doo-dah fast. I wonder if... yeah, see, no, you gotta make the legs go shorter to fold it back up. So, I don't know. I'm kind of out of breath doing that. There's no holes for clamps. Let's take a break. I thought that was going to be a lot cooler. I'd say if you want a workbench, I would go with that Dewalt. Probably go with the Dewalt one. You know, this is nice, I guess, but I can see that getting crushed and ruined if somebody drops something on it, and you can't really clamp to it. Dang it! I thought this would win. Dewalt wins. The sturdiest one, it's the lightest one, and it's got more holes on the top. And if you like you saw, it holds 1,000 pounds of meat. What's 1,000 pounds that you're going to put on the bench? An engine block? A black bear weighs like 900 pounds. If you got a spare black bear hanging around, you could put that on the table or do some work and tuck it in the corner. All right, I think we're done here. Thanks for watching.